500 million views from just Roblox videos. This channel has 1.75 million subscribers. This one has over 3 million. And this one, 1.34 million subscribers with only 52 videos. YouTube is paying these people crazy money right now to make Roblox content. And the craziest part? You can do it all with AI. No facecam, no mic, no editing skills needed. And in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to give you my exact master prompt so you can make the exact same viral Roblox videos. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to make them from scratch, video generation, and the exact editing style that makes them go viral. And we're not using a single paid tool. Everything is free. Let's go. First of all, you can use any AI chatbot you want, but today I'm using ChatGPT. Next, copy the master prompt that I made for you. I've put the link to this doc in the description below, so grab it from there. The important thing about this master prompt is, I made it step by step, so it's super easy for you. After that, come back to ChatGPT and paste this. Then hit send. In stage 1, it will ask you to select a character. Here, as an example, I've given things like horror and others, so you type whatever character you like. I'm going to type horror here and then hit send. Now in stage 2, it asks what kind of person you want that character to be. It gives you 5 different styles here, so you type the number you like and hit send. I'm going to send number 2. Alright, then in stage 3 it asks what kind of scene you want, meaning for the horror I gave, what kind of scene do I want? Here you can see 5 good scene options. I like the doll room one, so I'll type that number here and send it. You can pick whichever one you like. Then in stage 4 you'll see it gives you some details for your scene. And finally you reach the last stage. Here it says create prompts, so once you send that, you'll be able to see that ChatGPT has nicely and neatly created 4 prompts for you. 4 prompts to generate the video for the 4 shots in your scene, and these are detailed prompts. With this, you can generate your full scene perfectly. Alright, now let's see how to generate the video clips from these prompts. For this I'm using the Google Flow website. It gives you 50 free credits every single day, which means you can use it for free. After you sign up and come in, click New Project. Then you'll see a homepage like this. First thing you need to do is select video mode in this text box. Then set the aspect ratio to 9:16. For video model, I'm keeping it on VO 3.1 and select one video clip. Alright, then go back to ChatGPT and go to the first prompt. Copy shot 1. Copy it and come back and paste it in this text box and hit send. In a few seconds you'll be able to see a nice output like this. So we've generated the first scene. And you do the exact same thing for the other scenes. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt for shot 2, then come back to Google Flow and paste it and send. Do this for all 4 prompts and generate them, so you do it this way too. I've already finished generating all my video clips. Now all that's left is to download them. Now let's edit these video clips in CapCut to make them go viral. First, import all these video clips into CapCut. Import them and drag and drop them onto the timeline in scene order. And you don't need to generate audio separately, because Google Flow gives it to you with the audio included. After that, we need to add transitions between the gaps. To do that, come to the Transitions tab at the top of CapCut. Pick a simple transition like this, and put it between the video clips. Then, if you want, there are effects and filters here. You can add whichever one you like to your video. I'm going to do a few small edits like this. Alright, finally I'm going to add a nice background music to this. Then I'll cut out the extra parts and trim it a bit, and play the video. And that's it for today's video. If you liked the video, drop a like and leave a comment. See you in the next video.